Hi YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix the rear brake light on a BMW Z4 just like this one. I'm talking about the middle one right on top of the emblem. They always break. If you have this car, it's very kind of like a common issue. So I went on and bought my part on Amazon. It already arrived, pretty cool. I'll put a link in the description down below. If you want to check it out, you can purchase it from there or whatever. If you already have it, then let's just jump into it. So let me show you what to do to fix this or replace this rear brake light. See, they always break like this. So here we go. Okay guys, so what you have to do is just come in here, open your trunk, and when you come back here, you gotta notice there's 3 holes right there. There's 1, 2, and 3. And if you go in there, let me just get in here and show you. There's 3 nuts in there. I already took off 1. So those are the nuts. They're size 8mm. There's 2 right there, and there's 1 right there I took off already. And you need a long socket because not any 8mm will go in there. It has to be a long socket since the screw's long. When you take out the nut, so this is my setup. When you take out the nut, you'll notice that each nut will have a spring, and that's why I took 1 of them so I can show you. So each nut will have a spring, which make sure you get it because when you replace it with the new one, you're gonna have to put it back. But each nut will have a spring that kind of holds the light in position or whatever. So just get this, get the nut. They're size 8mm. Just take out those 3, which is there, there, and there, and I'll show you what to do next. All right, guys. So I removed the 3 nuts at the bottom, and as before, my light was all broken and stuff, and it was stuck there because it was squeezed in. But I got it. There's a cable that connects to it, and we're gonna come in here and to the bottom, and right here you're gonna use a Phillips screwdriver, and you're gonna remove this right here and this right here. So there's 2 screws that you're gonna take off with your Phillips screwdriver right there, right here, and we're right here. And once you take this little panel off, you'll see the cable. I'll show you how to unplug it and remove the light, then we can place our new light in. So here we go. All right guys, so I removed the cover. Then inside immediately you'll see the plug, which is I already unplugged it so I can show you. The plug is right there. You can get it really easily. You can access it. And this is the connector from the broken light. So it goes in here. The way to remove it is, you see this plug has a little square hole right there. There's a little hole right there. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, so that hole has a little clip. What I did is I got something very pointy, which is this. You can use a pocket knife or something as pointy as this, basically almost as a needle, and push it in there. And when you push it in there, it's gonna push in the clip, and then I just pull the plug out. So just push this in, take out the plug, and I remove the light from there. Now I'm gonna show you guys the new light that we purchased from Amazon, which is this. It was a pretty good price. It was actually the best we found on the internet. And here it is. So it's connects the same way as the other light. Here's the plug, connects in the same way. So make sure you just run the cable from the little plug. I'm gonna do this and then show you the final product. But looks like a pretty solid light. So let me put this on. Remember to put the little springs back before you put the nut, and just put everything back in reverse. And let me show you the final product. If you can, just give us a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. But let me show you the final product of it, okay? And just check the link in the bottom if you want to buy this product. So let me show you the final product. All right guys, this is the final product. As you can see, it looks amazing. It had a little sticker, you can remove it. It looks really nice. This is how it looks when it works. Let me turn on the brakes. There you go. Lights are cool. Very nice, easy process. Put everything back together. This car, when you remove it, take out the screws, just slide it a little bit back, but you'll see that right away. Plug connects right away. Very good. I really like this light bulb. If you like this video, if it helped, please give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out the link below if you want to purchase it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care.